Remember those profits you made from NOTCOIN? If you do, you're going to love what I've got for you today. I'm introducing a brand new bot that's closely related to NOTCOIN. You might be wondering why I'm not talking about hamster combat or any other trending topics. So, what's the big deal with NOTCOIN now? Today, I'm introducing a new Telegram bot supported by the NOTCOIN team. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're nearing 6,000 subscribers, and your support means a lot. Let's jump into today's topic. The bot I'm excited to share with you is called Dogs. So, what exactly is Dogs? It's a meme coin bot that's gaining a lot of traction and support from the Telegram community. This innovative project has piqued the interest of many, and I have some detailed insights sourced from the BitGet exchange. The concept behind Dogs is inspired by a unique event known as the Masquerade Party, which was created by Pavel Durov. If you're not familiar with Pavel Durov, let me give you a quick rundown. He is a visionary entrepreneur, best known as the CEO of Telegram, one of the most popular messaging platforms globally. Pavel is also the founder of NOTCOIN, another successful cryptocurrency venture. His track record in the tech and crypto space speaks volumes about the potential of the Dogs bot. Now, you might be wondering why this bot is called Dogs. The name and the whole idea are part of a broader trend in the cryptocurrency world where meme coins have become quite popular. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are typically inspired by internet memes or have humorous characteristics. They often gain rapid popularity due to their community-driven nature and the viral potential of memes. Dogs aims to leverage this trend by creating a fun and engaging platform where users can earn and trade tokens. The bot itself is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. It's built on the principles of community engagement and reward, ensuring that active participants are generously compensated. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Dogs bot is its backing. Having Pavel Durov, a well-respected figure in the tech world, as the creator adds a significant layer of credibility and excitement. His involvement suggests a well-thought-out strategy and robust technological infrastructure behind the bot. In addition to the support from Pavel Durov, the Dogs bot has also received endorsements and listings from several major exchanges. For instance, the BitGet exchange has highlighted Dogs in their updates, further validating its potential. Other exchanges like LBank, Apton Finance, and Gate.io have shown interest as well, which bodes well for its future trading opportunities. To sum up, Dogs is more than just another meme coin. It's a bot with a solid foundation, a reputable creator, and a growing community. This combination makes it a promising project worth paying attention to. In the following sections, I'll guide you on how to join the Dogs bot and start earning tokens, so stay tuned. Many of you might think it's too late to join this bot, but let me tell you, I was among the first to share this information with you. You're still early in the game. Joining the Dogs bot is simple. I'll provide a link in the description. Once you click the link, you'll need to tap on, "Wow, let's go." The bot will check your account details, like how long you've been on Telegram and if you have Telegram Premium. The older your account, the more tokens you earn from this meme coin airdrop. For example, I joined Telegram 5 years ago and have a premium account, which rewarded me with 111,000 tokens just for having an account. You can join the bot now and see how many tokens you get. To increase your tokens, you simply need to invite friends. The community has already grown to over 2 million users, and it's expanding rapidly. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This could be even bigger than NOTCOIN, where users made profits of $300 to $400 easily. However, be cautious. The Dogs team has clearly stated that they are not listed on any exchanges yet. Don't fall for any false listings. For official announcements, check their community or cross-verify with our Telegram group. That's it for today's video. It was a short and simple update, but very important. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.